I wish you'd look at what I found. A couple setting up a table and some chairs and a little picnic. Older folks. Well, I guess I can call them older folks, because look at this sticker on their car. What's that say? Caution, senior driver. That is just too cool. I like your sticker. Yeah. It gets that way when we get mature.
Yeah.
You're mature enough not to run over nobody, but you still want them to be cautious. I take it that's your girlfriend?
No, that's my wife.
That's your wife, okay. Yeah.
57 years.
Oh my goodness. What made you put that on there? Is there a reasoning?
No, our grandkids did that.
Your grandkids did it to you?
We, a couple, 3 years ago, we made a trip to Albuquerque, or to Phoenix, and in Albuquerque we stayed overnight, and had never noticed that sign all day long from Springfield to Albuquerque. We got up next morning, it was on the side over here, and the grandkids had done it.
Oh goodness. Nice to meet you.
You too.
Enjoy the day.
Thank you.
Well, that's what happens when you got badass grandkids. No, maybe the grandkids, I know, I just said that as a joke. You know his grandkids love him. Hey guys, ladies and gentlemen.